Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are diving into a creating heartfelt drawing can be a lovely way to express emotion. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process. Gather your drawing materials such as paper, pencils, erasers and any coloring tool you had like to use, for example, master markers, colored pencils, etc. Start by lightly sketching the outline of a heart shape on your paper. You can make it as asymmetrical or as free form as you like depending on your preference. Inside the outline of the heart, begin filling it with smaller hearts of various sizes. You can make them overlapping, scattered randomly, or organized in a pattern. Get creative with it. Make sure to vary the sizes of the smaller hearts to add visual interest. Some can be tiny while others can be larger and more prominent. Pay attention to the direction of the smaller hearts. You can angle them in different directions to create movement and flow within the larger heart shape. You can also add bushes like me in the heart with a girl sitting behind the tree. Maybe she thinks about her future or maybe something else. So this is today's tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.